Hi, I'm Janelle with Remax, and I'm here in the coveted Dunbar neighborhood at 3830 West 23rd, and I'm so excited to show you these two brand new half duplexes, masterly constructed by Westside builder Coastline Projects. Come on in. This home has been meticulously designed with an open plan with absolutely no wasted space, 10-foot soaring ceilings, oak hardwood floors throughout, and this beautiful herringbone pattern on the main floor. This gorgeous kitchen has a ton of custom cabinetry that reach right up to the ceiling, a beautiful waterfall island, and you'll love cooking for your family and friends with the 6-burner gas stove, and there's fully integrated Miele appliances. And right over here, you've got a built-in bar with a wine fridge. Upstairs is home to 3 generously sized bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms. Come on up. The primary bedroom features customized millwork, ample closet space, and the ensuite bathroom features stunning floor-to-ceiling tiles wrapped in a herringbone design. One of my favorite spots in this house is the top floor bedroom that has vaulted ceilings, additional custom cabinetry, and this lovely sleeping porch where you can escape and have a morning coffee or an evening glass of wine. You'll love having outdoor gatherings on this patio. It's so spacious. It's also all ready for a gas fire pit or a gas barbecue, and the garden beds are fully equipped with an irrigation system. This back unit is bright and airy from its south exposure. It has an open plan with no wasted space, soaring 10-foot ceilings, oak hardwood floors throughout, and this beautiful herringbone pattern on the main floor. This gorgeous kitchen is a chef's dream. You have a huge waterfall island, tons of cabinetry that goes right up to the ceiling, fully integrated Miele appliances, and you'll love cooking on this 6-burner gas stove. The private backyard is perfect for entertaining. It's already prepped for a gas barbecue or a gas fire pit, and the custom garden beds are fully equipped with an irrigation system. Upstairs is home to 3 generously sized bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms, which share the same high-quality fixtures and custom cabinetry. Come on up. The primary bedroom showcases customized millwork, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with stunning floor-to-ceiling tiles in a herringbone pattern. These homes are truly exceptional. They offer a blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods. Don't miss this opportunity to make one of these homes yours.